Hi, this video is a response to a question that was asked about the shin guards because this user was wondering about these, I guess, because their shin guards were sliding down a whole lot, and so I'm basically going to show you how to prevent that with the shin guards I just reviewed, the Nike Macro Light. So here goes. Okay, so here's obviously the sleeve. Okay, so then after you put on the sock, get one of my crappier socks just so I can show you. It's easier to put on. So, here we go. So, what I do is I put it right here, which is still on the shin guard, and wrap it around. But what you can do, put it right below the shin guard. Like so. That way, I'm pushing down with quite a bit of force. So. But the thing is, if you put it up here, like I do usually, it prevents it from going side to side or down. Clearly. And the thing is, you're never going to get kind of like that much force ever, going down on your shin guard like that. But putting it actually physically around it, like so. Yeah. Well, which is what I usually do. And it's harder to get around because it has to cover a larger kind of circumference, I guess you could say. But that keeps it from going side to side and dropping down. Like I was going like that to it, and it wasn't going down. That's how to prevent it from going down. Or you could just wrap it across your ankle and then put this above it, or rather this below it, so it would kind of look like that on your ankle or on your leg. And that will definitely keep them going down. Both are fine. I'm like one of the only people that do it like that actually wraps it around. But everyone else I've seen has just put it on their ankle like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope that helps. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.